एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू लर्न बायोलॉजी। सो गाइस देखते ही देखते देखो कितने क्वेश्चंस हो गए अपने। सो फाइनली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ 8th क्वेश्चन। देन टुडे वी आर कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर फ्रॉम परीक्षा अध्ययन। ओके ठीक है, तो कंप्लीट कर लेंगे आज। देन स्टार्ट करते हैं नाउ। हाउ इज सेक्स डिटरमाइंड इन ह्यूमन बींग। सो गाइस सेक्स डिटरमाइन कैसा होता है ह्यूमन बींग में? तो एक्स एक्स एंड एक्स वाई टाइप होता है। ओके, यू नो दिस। ओके, say of sex determination is found in human being. ठीक है, fine. ठीक है, XX female, XY male, fine. The sex of the child determined at the time of fertilization. fertilization के टाइम ही चाइल्ड का सेक्स डिटरमाइंड होता है। ठीक है, और इन ह्यूमन और रिस्पॉन्सिबल मेल होता है। बिकॉज क्योंकि यार देखो, फीमेल के पास तो एक्स एक्स क्रोमोजोम है। देन शी गिव्स ओनली एक्स क्रोमोजोम टू, ठीक है, शी गिव्स ओनली एक्स क्रोमोजोम टू फर्टिलाइजेशन। बट male gives X chromosome, male give X chromosome during fertile. तो so guys, baby girl is born. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा होता है तो। बट इन द केस मेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ अवर चाइल्ड। ओके फाइन। इन ह्यूमन बीइंग द डिप्लॉयड क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज 46। ठीक है फाइन। मतलब जो ऑटोसोम्स, द ऑटोसोम नंबर इज द ऑटोसोम क्रोमोसोम नंबर द, ठीक है, इन ह्यूमन द डिप्लॉयड क्रोमोसोम इज 46। ठीक है, 46 होता है। फाइन। फीमेल हैव टू सेक्स। फॉर दिस डिस्टर्बिंग वॉइस, सो कंटिन्यू करते हैं। फीमेल हैव टू सेक्स क्रोमोसोम XX अपार्ट फ्रॉम 44 ऑटोसोम, राइट। ठीक है, दे आर होमोगैमेटिक. इट मीन्स दे आर ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ गैमेट. सो गाइस, what this line is says means that ki homogametic female have XX chromosome, same, female have XX, so this is homogametic. So male have XY, so male are heterogametic. Fine. So it means they are always produce, so this always produce only X, one type of chromosome. The XL females has 22 autosomes and X type of sex chromosome. The diploid cells of male beings have 44 autosomes and XY of XY type of sex chromosomes. Fine. Of male beings, ठीक है, male are heterogametic. Yes, because male are heterogametic because male have XY, ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम. फाइन. इट मीन्स दे आर प्रोड्यूस टू टाइप्स ऑफ गैमेट्स. दे प्रोड्यूस एक्स या दे प्रोड्यूस वाई. ओके, फिर देन नेक्स्ट, देयर स्पर्म्स में हैव 22 ऑटोसोम एंड एक्स क्रोमोसोम, और 22 ऑटोसोम एंड वाई क्रोमोसोम. दे हैव एक्स क्रोमोसोम, दे हैव 22 ऑटोसोम, बट दे हैव एक्स क्रोमोसोम, दे हैव 22 क्रोमोसोम, बट दे हैव ऑल्सो वाई क्रोमोसोम. ठीक है, फाइन. दे हैव मेल हैव एक्स एंड वाई बोथ क्रोमोसोम्स. ठीक है, बट they only produce only one type of gamete. They produce X, then female baby girl is born. They produce they produce X, then female child is born. Female baby girl is born. ठीक है. They produce Y, then baby boy is born. ठीक है. If the egg is fertilized by a sperm having X sex chromosome, then the girl child develops from the resultant zygote, right? If the egg is fertilized by a sperm carrying Y chromosome, then a boy child develops. Right? I also say this line to starting this question first. ठीक है. दिस टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज कॉल्ड एज मेल हेट्रोगैमेटिक. फाइन. इट्स शोन दैट मेन आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सेक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड, नॉट वुमेन. क्या बोल रहा है? ठीक है, मेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, मेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सेक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड, नॉट वुमेन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, लास्ट line is clear. So guys, this question is completed. Okay, fine. Then the next question is, two heterozygous parents are closed. Okay, fine. Though both the two heterozygous parents means that the capital T small t, capital T small t. Okay, ठीक है. But parents बोला है, if the two locali are linked, what would be the distribution of phenotype feature in F1 generation for a dihybrid cross? They said dihybrid cross. ठीक है. हाइपोथेटिकल डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. इन अ स्वीट प्री द ब्लू कलर बी इज डोमिनेंट. ठीक है. Bees represent blue color, that is dominant, and our red flower represent small b, that is recessive. Fine. Similarly, the long pollen shape L, capital L, represent dominant. Over round pollen shape small l represent recessive character. In this situation, their heterozygous parents would be capital B, small b, capital L, small l. This condition. Okay, fine. यही सेम कंडीशन वी आर फॉलो डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस राउंड. वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट राउंड एंड येलो शीट्स. सॉरी, है ना. Round and yellow sheets, and then round and green sheet, wrinkle and green sheet. Round and yellow sheets and wrinkle and green sheets. Then in this question, we are going to discuss BBLL. Means that dominant always express itself. So blue flower color and long pollen shape. Then fine, both will have blue flower and long pollen grain. Fine. Question say that the two loculi are linked. It means the gene of blue color is linked with a gene of lone pollen. Linkage means. Similarly, the gene of red flower is linked with a gene of round pollen grain. ठीक है. We are see this. We are going to discuss this. This cross can be represented in the following manner. Okay. Blue flower, long pollen, blue flower, long pollen. We in this question, where two heterozygous parents are crossed. ठीक है. Gametes BBLL. These parents will be form two types of gametes instead of 4 types, as the genes are linked. We are discussed about how to make gametes, and we are discussed in the shorts video how to make gametes with fork line method, using fork line method. So easily we are it's a PYQ of NEET previous year question. How to calculate number of gametes. We are used 2n formula. Number of heterozygous is the power, so 2 into this type is the 2. ठीक है. 2 heterozygous in this cross 2 heterozygous to 2 in 2 की power 2. Then 4 types of gametes make. So this type of 4 types of gametes make BBLL. Okay, fine. ठीक है. BBLL, then we are gametes. Fine. In this crossing over, how many generations are formed? In monohybrid cross, we using in monohybrid in how to calculate how many generations are formed. We are use the formula of 4n. So in monohybrid cross 4 generations are formed. In dihybrid cross 16 generations are formed. In trihybrid cross 4 16 for the 16 for the 64 generations are formed. In this case, it is a dihybrid cross, so 16 generation is formed. 1 2 fine 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 15 generation are formed. BBLL, blue flower, long pollen. Capital B, small b, capital L, small a, blue flower, long pollen. Capital B, small b, capital L, small l, blue flower, long pollen. Capital small b, capital small l, red flower, round pollen. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1 because phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Why we say 3:1? Because 3 is blue flower, long pollen, blue flower, long pollen, blue flower, long pollen. Fine. And 1 red flower, round pollen. So phenotypic and genotypic ratio in this case, a dihybrid cross we use round and yellow sheet and wrinkle and green sheets. So genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 1:2:1, 2:4:2, 1:2:1. Okay, fine. We already discussed about shorts video in dihybrid cross. Okay, fine. Next question is, A child has blood group O if the father has blood group A and mother blood group B. Work out the genotypes of the parents and the possible genotypes of the offspring. Fine. सबसे पहले child has blood group O. Okay, fine. If the father has blood group A and the mother blood group B, है ना? Okay. And the genotypic. So answer is the blood group of the child is O. Fine. Yes, blood group child is the blood group of the child is O. The O blood group is formed by recessive homozygous condition of allele. We already discussed about shorts video alleles and many types IA, IB, and small I. So small I formed O blood group. Okay, so condition. Therefore, the genotype of the child having blood group O would be II. Fine, II. It clearly showed that the child must have received one allele. Only child has received one allele II. ठीक है, I from each parent as the blood group. Oh, so I am saying this. Mother have move to the question. Mother have blood group B. Fine. Mother have blood group B. Okay, means mother have this type. Okay, fine. Father have blood group A. Then both mother and father gives I. This I make O blood group of the child. It clearly shows the child receive only one allele I from each parents. Okay, sorry, mother and father. ये mother का, then ये father. Both side I, then form O. Okay, fine. It means the father should be heterozygotic and his genotypic IA. ठीक है, I also explained this line. They only he could have contribute I to his son. The blood group mother be she contribute I to IBI. The possible group of the children the possible blood group of the other children could be worked out with the help of a Punnett square. Okay, fine. Possible. The possible blood groups of other children could be work or she Punnett square के through we discussed about other children's blood group we help with the help of workout. But question में only ये discuss का बोला था कि because कि why a child has blood group. So genotype of the parents and the possible genotype of other offspring की बात करी गई थी. If we are discuss अगर mother have IBI, mother send B. Okay, fine. Mother send B. IB. Mother send IB. Okay, mother send IB. And father send I. Yeah, means father send IA. Mother send IB and father also send IA. So what type of blood group is formed? Please think about it. And and after 2 minutes we going to discuss. After 2 minutes we going to discuss mother sent IB and father sent IA. Fine, mother sent IB and father sent IA. Then both allele expressed in this form is AB is formed. Okay, mother और ये father भी है. Okay, तो AB is formed. Okay, then mother sent IB or father sent I. Okay, what type of blood group is formed? IBI. So B type of blood group is formed. When in this case father sent IA and mother sent IA formed. तो possibilities ये है. So guys, this possibilities firstly AB formed होगा and which both said अगर यहाँ भी father sent IA and mother sent IB. So AB is formed. But AB is या तो first या तो AB is formed. ठीक है, या ओ जो ऑलरेडी ओके ओ, या तो बी या ए. So fine, we are discussed. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this video to your friends, and please comment, please don't mind if I say wrong things on this video. So guys, please comment me, and and explain me how to improve myself to recording videos, voice explanations, and camera, everything you should say to me. You have right, you say anything, but please don't mind. Okay, I am human being, and I also have a feelings. But so guys, next video में we are discussed about 11th question, 12th question, and today, it's today's date of 11th November. We are completing Pariksha Adhyayan, chapter